Okay, so let's take this odd one out. Sentence number one was saying translators are like bumblebees. What are bumblebees? They are insects, and maybe in the first sentence, some comparison is going on between translators and bumblebees. If you see sentence number 5, it was saying in 1934, the French entomologist Auguste Magnus pronounced the flight of the bumblebee to be aerodynamically impossible. It means there is a belief that bumblebees cannot fly. Now, this was a theory and which was raised by the entomologist August Magnus. That there is a belief that it was supporting the sentence number one that translators are like bumblebees, and the theory was that bumblebees aerodynamically means it's a belief that they cannot fly. If you see sentence number three, they were talking about similar pronouncements, and the word similar gives us a quite a bit hint over here that this couldn't have been the opening sentence. Similar pronouncements means there has to be some other announcement before this. That is why they are comparing some similar pronouncement. And the word similar is very important here. Somewhere it was connecting sentence number 5, that just as people said that bumblebees cannot fly, there was a belief that even translation have dogged practitioners, means even translation is not possible. The way bumblebees cannot fly, similarly, translation is not possible. So, sentence 5 was giving you a theory, sentence 3 was the similar pronouncement, sentence 1 could have been an opening statement wherein they were comparing bumblebees with translator. Then, sentence number 5. Bees, unaware of these deliberations, some deliberations have been spoken about, have continued to flit from flower to flower, and translators continue to translate. So, this was like, though it was continued that now bumblebees are flying and flitting from one flower to another, and no matter what, the translators are also continuing to they are continuing to translate. So despite many theories, still bees are still flying and translators are still translating. Let's see sentence number 2. Though long scientifically disapproved, this factoid, which factoid, is still routinely trotted out. So we don't know in the first place which the proof, the B theory. They're talking about the B theory over here, and somewhere it was giving you some extra information which later proved wrong. Why it was proved wrong? Because it is saying that the bumblebees are continuing to flying and the translators are continuing to translate. So this was something which was giving you an some extra information, and even without sentence 2, the paragraph was complete and coherent, and the entire three theme of these sentences 1, 3, 4, and 5 was that people often claim that certain things are not possible, if not possible, or maybe some theories are impossible, but in reality everything goes on and everyone continues to work there, do their work successfully. So sentence 2 was the odd one out.